In this video, we will discuss about in vivo results of the effect of galectin-1 in the pancreatic cancer cells tumor progressions. So, in the previous video, we have understood that in vitro results of the overexpressed galectin-1 in PSC, that is pancreatic stellate cells co-cultured with the pancreatic cancer cells, shows that this overexpressed galectin-1's PSC will cause more EMT into the pancreatic cancer cells compared to the case where galectin-1 is knocked down. So they wanted to check their in vitro results into the in vivo. So what they did is they prepared a orthotopic xenograft mice models where they inject a mixture of PSC and pancreatic cancer cells into the mice and then observe the tumor weight and tumor progressions. And what they are able to see is that from the panel A, it is clear that in the case where galectin-1 is knocked down, they do not see much tumor growth compared to the case where compared to the control case where galectin-1 is present. And in the conditions where galectin-1 is overexpressed in the pancreatic stellate cells, they are able to see increased amount of tumor weight and also the tumor volumes. So this shows that the overexpressed galectin-1 will cause tumor progressions in vivo also. And then thereafter what it is, they check the H&E stainings to check these tumor progressions into the mice models. And in order to check the proliferations properties within the mice models, what they did is that they did the EDU assay in the three different conditions. In the case of overexpressed, they can see the more number of cells or signals and compared to the wild type. And for the case where galectin-1 is knocked down, they see the low number of signals can be clearly evident in this red fluorescence. That is, red fluorescence are high in the overexpressed galectin-1 case compared to the wild type galectin-1, and in the case where galectin-1 is silenced, the red fluorescence signals are least. And these things are so this shows about the proliferation properties. And when they check the tumor volume, the quantifications of the tumor volume are shown in this panel D, E, F. Panel D shows the tumor volumes, that is, tumor volumes are high where galectin-1 is overexpressed, and tumor volumes are low where galectin-1 is knocked down compared to the wild type. And same things they have observed for the tumor weight also. The tumor weight are high where the galectin-1 is overexpressed. And the quantifications of the proliferations, that is the EDU assays images that are shown in the panel C, are shown in the panel F. And the quantification shows that the number of proliferation cells, that is red fluorescent cells within specific regions, is high when the galectin-1 is overexpressed compared to the wild type galectin-1 conditions, and it is lowest when the galectin-1 is downregulated. And this H&E stainings also shows the proliferations of cells proliferations in the case where galectin-1 is overexpressed. And so from this figure, they finally conclude that the galectin-1 induces tumor progressions, not just in the in vitro results, but those things are replicable, or those phenomena also exist in the in vivo studies that they have shown here through the results that they got from the in vivo studies on the mice models. So I hope you understood the results that are presented in this figure. If you need to understand more about these experiments in detail, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. So that's all for this video. Thank you. for your time.